All right, this is the summer, y'all. So what I decided to do for the 4th of July is to make some lemon meringue individual muffins in a pan. They're not muffins, y'all, but they're lemon meringue pie, and they are in a muffin pan. I put the crust in a muffin pan, and they are cool, cold, and all you do is serve them for a nice, cool dessert for the summer. Yes, for the summertime, instead of just having hot cobbler all the time and, have some kind of pudding. So we got this lemon meringue, and it's beautiful, isn't it? It's standing by itself, and the crust is standing by itself. So after this presentation, I'll show you a little step by step how to do this. But I was in the kitchen, it's hot, y'all, and I just didn't have time. If I didn't get all the instructions, just email me and I will give you the instructions. I'll put them on my website, soulfoodqueen.net. That's the soulfoodqueen.net website. So what I'm going to do is cut this. Oh, excuse me. Cut this and let you see what it looks like inside. We're going to cut it, and then we're going to be right back. We have to be very easy because you know how the meringue is. Meringue comes apart. But this right here is really good. So I'm going to cut this and let you see how it look, okay? All right. That's how it look, y'all. That's the meringue, lemon meringue in a individual serving muffin pan. This is Sandra. I want to say happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel. Okay, what we're doing now is the dough. I'm going to do some muffins, and we're putting one in the dough in the muffin pan. So that's what we're doing. We flatten out the dough, and we're using a bowl to mold the dough to fit into the muffin pan. Be right back with the other instructions. See the circle? We're going to use this circle, and we're going to place it in the muffin pan. And we're going to push it down, and it'll fit perfect inside there in the muffin pan. See that? Meanwhile, we're going to do our meringue. We have cream of tartar, sugar, and vanilla. Doing our meringue for our lemon meringue muffins. Well, not muffins, but pie. Meringue muffin pie in a muffin pan. So I'm doing that right now. Getting ready to do that, y'all. All right, our meringue is ready. Our meringue is ready, so we can get ready to do our filling. And in my filling, I use Jello could conserve. Yes, I do. Lemon. I do use that. But when I'm going to show you what I do, where it asks for 3 egg yolks, I put 5 egg yolks. And when it asks for a half a cup of water, I put a half a cup of lemon juice. And when it asks for 3/4 cup of sugar, I'll put a cup. That's how we're going to do this, okay? And then the butter, a little bit extra. That's how you do it, okay? All right, we got our filling all done. And we add 2 tablespoons of butter to blend in with this. And then we're going to show you how we're going to put it in the shell when we come back. Ain't that beautiful?